Collaborating around to-dos using CabinetM. As a collaboration platform, CabinetM provides marketing operations teams with the ability to assign to-dos to different members of the team or to entire teams. And here's how easy it is to do it. Click into your to-dos, and then click on the Add To-Do button. And once you do that, you'll have the ability to give it a title, give it a due date, add a description, and then assign it to a member. You also have the ability to make it available and visible to everyone. You then choose which product to look at, and if you want, you can also know what stack it's in or what drawer it's in. And when you add it, it'll show up here in your to-do list. And you'll also be able to find it right here on your dashboard. Keep track of all your to-dos with CabinetM today.